Hi everyone, it's Rhoda from Rhoda Scraps. Today I'm going to do my first unboxing video. This would be last month's kit. This is from Plannersanon. This is called the Main Street Kit. So if you were subscribed last month, I'm sure you will be getting your kit any day now. Okay, so this kit also has an add-on stickers. So you can purchase this separately. It has 15 sheets of stickers, which has each sheet has different elements, which is super gorgeous. And I really love the color combo that Sammy used for this one. I really love it. It's a perfect combination. It's yellow with blue with gray. I love it. So absolutely gorgeous. And here has different gifts, bags, and you have your no spend, treat yourself, those kinds of words. The images are so crisp and so clear. So this one has two sheets. This one has different weekdays and different colors that you can absolutely use the whole month. You can decorate your planner the whole month. There you go, and of course you're gonna get these little girls. Okay, so all in all, you'll get 15 sheets in your add-on sticker sheets. Okay, so she also have these additional little girls that you can purchase separately. These are super gorgeous. I love that little girl in there. Okay, okay, now I'm going to show you what are the contents of your kit. So first, this is the pouch, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I love the color. This is the replacement of the sequins, which I prefer because this one you can put your pen, your washi tapes, or your stickers inside of that pouch. And of course, this pen that goes along with your kit, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love the gems. The color combo is spectacular. Okay, as you can also see the Plannersanon name in that pen. There you go, it's perfectly fit inside in the pouch. Oh guys, as you can see, my daughter is crying in the background. I don't know what they're doing downstairs. Life of having 3 kids. Okay, so let's go to the code cards. This is one of my favorite. You can also use the backing of the cards, which is really gorgeous. I love that. So the code cards. First, shopping is my therapy. Days ending in Y are for shopping. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love this one. And of course, buy the shoes. Okay, so that's all. Those are the code cards. Now, let's go to the die cuts. Okay, so this pose, it's basically you can bend it. And you can make it it's a paper clip. This is perfect to make a paper clip. Okay. Next is this little girl carrying boxes of gifts. Next is this beautiful girl. Oh, I love her. And this one, this is basically, you can make it as a pocket. It's already been scored, so it's easy for you to fold, and you just have to put a double-sided tape or paste or glue, and then you have your own pocket. And this one, and you have your own coffee. You will also get the magazine, super cute, the taxi. Oh, I love the color. And you get another bow. Okay, and this card. That is perfect for your dashboard. So those are the die cuts that's included in your kit. Okay, next, let's go to the sticker sheets that comes in your kit. Okay, this one has 4 sheets, 4 by 6, and again, the elements is different than the add-on sticker sheets, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Okay. And last one. So guys, don't forget, next kit is Blossom. I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful kit. So don't forget to subscribe. It's gonna be another awesome kit. So next, let's go to the additional, to the stamp that is included, which is 4 by 6, and it has a lot of elements that you can use. So guys, if you don't like the color combo, you don't like the yellow, the blue, the gray, you can always use the stamp and use the color that you like. Now let's go to the washi tapes. So each month it has three different sizes of washi tapes. This one is a 25 millimeter wide. This is basically the store scenes, which is super gorgeous, and it is perfect for the bottom of your spread if you want to use it. Now let's go to the skinny one, which is approximately 10 millimeter wide, and basically it's just screaming shop, shop, shop. I love it. And now the third one is approximately 15 millimeter size, which is a bunch of gifts. This is perfect. Gorgeous. I really, really love this one. There you go. Now let's go to the papers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you'll get 8 sheets in your kit. Okay, so the first one is this yellow, like polka dot, yellowish combination, and of course the store scenes, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. Okay, so you'll get 2 copies of those. Okay, so next design is these coffee stains, which is I super love. I love the color combo. It's just like one of my favorite. So you will also get the back of the paper, which is coffees, lattes. Okay, so you'll get 2 of those. Next is this gifts, which is super cute and adorable. And of course, you get a plain color that also coordinate with the color theme. And you get 2 of those. Now, okay, so you will also get a vellum sheet, which is the market scene, which is super cute, and it has a lot of possibilities to use this one. Okay, so let me get a white sheet of paper so that you will see what it looks like. Okay, here you go. Oh, I love this one. This is gorgeous. Okay, now the last sheet is the acetate, which is also in the other side, which is foil, silver foil. Okay, so This is gorgeous. Alright guys, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Goodbye.